here's someone who knows how to do it big. Joshua Haig from First Baptist Church, all the way out in Elgin, Illinois, brings us this amazing paper chain Christmas look submitted back in August 2016. They decided for one holiday season they would have a white Christmas theme. I mean, if you're going to go white, why play around with anything less than snow on your stage every Sunday morning, right? But let me tell you something that was just not feasible, especially when you got thousands and thousands of people coming through those doors. So after doing some digging, he stumbled upon an Advent paper chains design by The Crossing over there in Columbia, Missouri. And guess what? It hit him like a ton of bricks: paper chains. Now we know how much work goes into creating these kinds of designs, but this particular project took the whole cake, or should I say the whole church, because Joshua says this is their largest scale yet since he's been worship pastor for 5 years now. And here's where things get really interesting, folks. They spent less on materials than most people spend on lunch every week. That's right, just under $200 thanks to Office Max running great sales on paper and staples, which were all you needed for this incredible display. But let me tell you something about those materials. 40,000 individual links had to be cut, wrapped, stapled before being hung up in chains 20 long, each one by hand, no machines involved. It was a labor of love, with over 20 volunteers pitching in daily, taking strips home, cutting them into the perfect length, then returning back to church until finally they got what they needed. Now, installation might have been time-consuming, but as Joshua says, it wasn't rocket science. Hanging 4 wires across the stage, setting up scaffolding, reaching new heights, simply stapling top loops around wire, voila. And I gotta say, folks, that's some creative thinking right there, using center projector projecting falling snow onto these paper chain textures, creating an effect so real you'd swear it was actually snowing inside your church. This design will definitely go down in history books at First Baptist Church, and we're honored to share this incredible story with all of you today. Be sure to check out our description below for more details on how to create a similar look like this one. If you want to see even more amazing designs just like this, subscribe now by clicking that little red button over here. Hit the notification bell so you never miss another video from us, and don't forget to leave those comments below telling us what kind of stage design would you love to see next. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.